God, this is creepy. Must be a fire. Can't zoom in with this camera though. Well, I can hear the federal signal 2001. And the siren's coming from that way, so it might just be a fire. I have no idea where it's coming from though, but it's probably down that way. That way. But I can hear the federal signal 2001. I wish I knew what kind of siren was going off right now. Nothing on my weather radio. I don't know what's going on, but I probably should head inside. Well, good wind down. It's also, I can hear the federal signal all the way from my elementary school winding down too. Sounds nothing compared to the test. Yeah. So I guess that's it. Must be a fire. I have more updates if it goes off again.